What are you doing?
Can you get the shiny out of my eye?
Why are you laying down on the floor?
Because I'm sick.
That's why you're sick. Because you're laying on the dirty floor, on the dirty concrete.
This is my house.
It's your house, but it's not finished.
Okay. I'm going to take a broom and sweep this place off.
What are you doing? You looking at the stars?
Can you get the light out of my face?
Are you sleeping?
Yes.
You can't sleep outside like this.
I'm going to sleep.
You can't sleep out here like this.
Why?
Because it's going to rain on you.
And I don't care.
Don't care. Why?
Because I want it to be wet.
You're cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Oh yeah, the camp out. So you camp out, you need a sleeping bag.
And please buy me one.
I should buy you one.
And can you get me a tent?
You already have a tent.
And please bring it to me.
And you leave it out there. It's in the closet. In your room. What?
Please bring me it.
Okay. What did you see? What did you see? It's going to burn. Why is your tongue blue? Oh no.
Oh! Was that full?
My Pepsi fell off. Where are you going?
Go get tea.
No.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Be careful. You look like a burglar. Be careful. Watch the steel. You look like a cat burglar, dude. No! Boy. Stop throwing stuff. Abella is watching you. Be careful. You see those eyes? Did you see those eyes?